welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am finally going to be sharing with you Hayden's nursery. I am so excited to share because I have had so many requests all throughout my pregnancy, and now that she is finally here, to show you guys how I decorated her nursery. I don't know why it took me so long to get her nursery done, but it definitely took me a long time. I didn't even finish it until she was officially here, but she's not even in this room really much at all to begin with, so it's not that big of a deal. But I am so excited to finally share with you guys. I absolutely love the way that her, her nursery turned out. This room that we're in is actually, it's pretty small, so I wanted to have the essentials, but I also really wanted to keep this room feeling just kind of clean, calm, and simple, so that it didn't feel really overcrowded with just like too much stuff. So I think I did a good job kind of striking that balance between having everything I need, making it look cute and cozy, but also very clean and simple and not over dramatic, I guess, at the same time. Because that's just the look that I was going for, and I love the way that it turned out. I will also be linking everything down below, so if there's anything you see in this video that you want to check out for yourself, I will make sure that everything, at least everything that I can link, I will link down below. So make sure to check that out. But yeah, if you want to see the nursery, let's get started. Okay, so when you walk into the room, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to start on this side. Okay, so this is her closet. Honestly, it's a mess in there. There's no cute organization, so it's not even worth showing. And then here I have her bookcase. So actually all of these books were like donated us by friends, or I guess gifted to us by friends and family, which is so cool. And then we've got some cute little decor in here. These little elephant like book stopper things, that's probably not the name, are from Home Goods. This was gifted to us, this cute little unicorn doll. And this was also a gift. And then down here I've got this basket, which was, I believe, gifted to us as well. Someone like put their baby shower gift in here. Got a little like a little dog teddy bear right here. And then these are just some little blankets. These are from Target. A lot of times we use these just to lay down on her changing mat, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then we've just got some more cute little books down here. And then this cute little elephant stuffed animal that actually like dances. It's really cute. Oh, and I just realized the tag is still on it. And then on the top of her bookcase, we've got this cute little alarm clock. This is from Home Goods. This is a little tiny stuffed animal that I actually got down in Stone Harbor, down at the beach in New Jersey, while I was pregnant. And then right here we just got a couple frames. Both of the frames are from Home Goods. This is a little ultrasound picture of little tiny baby Hayden. This is around like 20 weeks, I think. And then this is just one of our, or my maternity photos. And then moving on to her rocker or glider, whatever you call this thing. So this is from Pottery Barn. I decided to invest for this piece because we'll have it forever. It was definitely pricey, but I think it was worth it. So this is from Pottery Barn. It's the comfort swivel. It's like the grand one. I got the biggest one just because Matt is super tall and it has like a higher back for him. And then this, I love this blanket so much. This is from Home Goods. It's just like the prettiest, just like dull blush color. And I just love it so much. And then down here, we've got this ottoman. This is from Target. I love all of the texture on it. It is just like such a cool addition to this room. It's super neutral and it goes with this, but it just adds a pop of texture and just kind of like a cool something to look at. I just really love this, and it was pretty inexpensive. If they still have them, I will link them down below. And then as far as this rug, I believe it is a 5x8 rug, and it's from Pottery Barn Kids as well. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but I will link it down below. And then over here we've got this little, just a cute little white table. This is actually from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then on the table, this little ceramic unicorn. It's actually a piggy bank that was gifted to us as well. I think that might have been from Target. I'm not sure because I feel like I saw it there. So cute. I love that. And then this is just a little frame. My mom actually made this for us just with a little picture of baby Hayden. She was like 1 day old, and then obviously those were from her birth. And then we've just got some pretty simple white curtains with a white curtain rod. Both of those were also from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then up here, this is one of my favorite little decor pieces in the room, are these little canvas banners, and it's HCB, which is Hayden's or are Hayden's initials. I will link the Etsy shop where I got these. I'm obsessed with them. I think they're such a cute addition to this wall. To be honest, I was pretty stumped on what to put on this wall because it's just a really big space, and I didn't want to buy something that was like giant and super expensive, and I also wanted it to be really simple. And this was just absolutely perfect. I like scoured Etsy to find something cool, and this is just so different. I feel like this is not something I typically see on like Pinterest nurseries. Everything is just like the same, but I just love these. I think they're super cute, and it's personalized, but again, they're simple, and they really kind of tie into like the rest of the room. Okay, now moving on to her crib. So first things first, we have this gorgeous print up here. This is also an Etsy find. It's really big. I don't know if you guys can like tell how large it is, but it's a huge sign. So this was kind of like the big expensive piece decor wise in this room that I kind of splurged on, I guess. So again, this is from Etsy. I will link the shop down below. The listing that I will link for you guys, it's not this exact sign because this was custom made with different lyrics. This is the lyrics to Forever Young by Rod Stewart. I absolutely love this song so much, and I feel like this, just the song and the lyrics and this message is kind of perfect and adorable for, a nursery or little baby. So I absolutely love that. I love the way that it looks in the room. And then also we have her crib. The crib is also from Pottery Barn Kids. That's where we got all of her furniture because they are Green Guard Gold certified. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, which means they don't like, they have no, they're not like gassing off formaldehyde and like weird toxic stuff. So that is definitely something to keep in mind, and that's the reason I ended up, we ended up going for something a little more expensive. But they always have sales too. I got all of like the rocker and all of her furniture on sale, so keep an eye out for that if you're looking to decorate your nursery. So on here we just have these cute little very, very simple pink stripe sheets. These are Burt's Bees Baby. They're like organic 100% cotton sheets. And then down here we just have this cute little skirt. This is also from Pottery Barn Kids. That was a gift from my mom. And then also actually these two pieces of furniture were gifted from my parents, which was super, super generous and nice. But yeah, so this is her crib. Again, super simple. I don't have a million stuffed animals in there because she's not going to ever be able to sleep with them in there anyway, and they're just going to have to get tossed around, and no, I just didn't want that. So very, very clean, simple, no clutter, which is how I like things. And then down here, I've just got this adorable elephant hamper. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I feel like this is like all over Pinterest, but it's just super, super cute, and it's from Home Depot actually. And then just down there, I have like a little humidifier that we have yet to use because she's never in this room. Okay, now moving on to her bureau area. So up here we've just got some wall decor. So both of these frames are from, actually this is from Michael's, this frame. This frame is from Home Goods. And then this is a little like Ray Dunn. It's actually like a little, like a dish, like a jewelry dish or, something like that you would have like on a surface. But I decided to hang it on the wall, and I just think it's adorable. I love how that looks up there. And so this print I found on Etsy. This was made from someone on Etsy. Again, that's from Home Goods. And then these little flowers on the wall are from, I think, Wayfair. Yeah, and they're really easy just to kind of stick on. So I think that looks cute. Again, pretty simple, nothing crazy. And then moving down to her bureau. Again, very simple. You guys are probably catching a theme here. So I've just got her diffuser right here, and then just a really simple white lamp. And then this cute little stuffed animal that, I think this is one of those Jellycat ones. This was also gifted to us. We've got our hand purifier there for diaper changes, and then her changing pad. So this is one of the Kikaroo. This is like the Kikaroo Peanut. And when I was saying we sometimes lay those blankets down on here because it is like kind of chilly, just to lay her down flat on that, and at least in the wintertime, what it is right now. And then this is her dresser. Again, this is from Pottery Barn Kids. I will link it for you guys. It's really nice. I love the color. It's kind of like a creamy off-white, and it obviously matches the crib, and it's got plenty of storage in there. So then up here, hello, I've got this cute mirror. This is from, I think, Wayfair. It's just like a simple gold mirror. I love how this looks. And then over here, I've got her oily shelf. So this is actually, I found this at like an antique place at the beach, this like actual wood shelf. And I thought it would actually be perfect for her oils. So in here, I've got a couple rollers for her, and then diaper rash cream, lotion. This is like a linen, sleepy linen spray, and then baby oil. So these are all from Young Living. You guys know I'm obsessed with Young Living. Those are like all the baby products we use on her. So it's just stored right in there. And then I've just got some oils in here that will be just good. These are all like the kid oils, and then like some sleepy oils up there. But, you know, I'm sure I'll be using a ton, but those are just kind of like on display and ready for me to grab if I ever need them. And then down here, super exciting, we have our diaper pail. We ended up going with the Ubi diaper pail. I liked that you could just use regular trash bags and you didn't have to buy like the specific bags over and over again. So that's why you see that sticking out. All right guys, so that is it for the nursery tour. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love, love, love this room, and I love spending time in here. It's just so calm and cozy, and I just love that it's for her. It's just the sweetest thing ever. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.